Drone VR is a funded project. The students are building a virtual reality environment and a number of models for a fairly large flying drone.
It's a very large drone. I believe it's about 14 feet long, and it's about $600,000.
It's basically training student engineers on how to assemble a drone. It's about a $600,000 drone, about the size of a car.
There's a team of two, and one of those students, Jacob, is modeling quite a number of the 3D assets, the drone itself, the crate, a hangar space. He's modeled a number of different things.
During the project, I was basically the designer, where I made all of the models and designed the layout of the level. I was basically responsible for recreating the images and the videos that were sent to us.
And then Michael is doing implementation and programming to kind of create the simulation itself.
So I did all of the interactions, I built all the back-end systems.
And it was really cool getting to integrate each other's projects together and getting to check back and forth with each other, along with having to keep updated with Dr. Obate, who was on the other side of the world.
There's a fairly complex step-by-step process to uncrate it and assemble it and prepare it for flight.
I've been able to develop a step-by-step system that can pretty much teach someone how to do most things. So if you were to just strip out all the drone parts and just put like car pieces in it, then you can teach someone how to build a car.
You take it out of this massive crate and you do it all in VR to train yourself to do it in real life.
And the whole goal is that people who are going to work with this real, actual drone in the real world can use this tool ahead of time and get training on how to actually assemble it and make it ready to fly.